Take your home coffee setup to the next level with the EspressoWoks 7-piece all-in-one espresso and cappuccino barista bundle. This all-in-one set includes everything you need to bring the coffee house home. Create irresistible espressos, cappuccinos, lattes, and all your other favorite coffee house drinks, including specialty and over-iced coffee. Included is an electric grinder, portafilter, stainless steel frothing cup, and measuring spoon and tamper, as well as 2 ceramic espresso cups. No need to purchase additional accessories. You have it all right out of the box. We included 2 stainless steel portafilter baskets for the option to pull a single shot or double shot during each extraction. Get up and running in just 45 seconds. Our advanced thermoblock fast heating system delivers precise temperatures and instant steam, so you never have to wait. Other systems can take up to 5 minutes to heat up. Steam and froth your favorite milk like the pros with the built-in steam wand and included stainless steel milk frothing cup, suitable for all types of milk. Plus, the transparent front view 1.25-liter water tank allows you to conveniently monitor water levels without turning the machine around, and comes equipped with a handle for easy removal, refilling, and cleaning. Get your EspressoWoks all-in-one 7-piece set today.
Tchibo coffee couldn't be any fresher, unless it's brewed in our revolutionary new machine. Meet the Tchibo. Single serve, bean to brew. No pods, no waste. What could be fresher than that? The Tchibo.